All right, here's some more clearance on Angel on the Go. You guys can see the $5 price, and we scanned these and they are coming up $5, but they were coming up $9. So they're going down. Look at that. Look at all the ones they have.
I think we said that in the video like a long time ago when they weren't moving.
Yeah, a long time ago, you guys, we showed you these and we were saying that we were gonna wait until they go down in price. So we're actually gonna wait till they go down. For some reason, this one's still coming up regular price, which is about 9 something. But the red one right here, and what? How do you pronounce that? Nostalgia? Nostalgia. Okay. And this is my mini 7/8 cooker. So again, they're going down in price, you guys. They were 9, now they're 5. But in case you guys want to grab a couple of these while they're $5, that would be great. So this is the red one, and here's the UPC. You want to scan it? Okay, so we're gonna scan it. Uh-oh. Messing up again.
I swear.
Ready? Second time. There you go. So $5, you guys. Also, the blue one right here, which is really nice. This one's $5 too. And oh, there's a UPC for the blue one. And do you want to scan the green one? Okay, so far the baby blue and the red are $5. But this green one is not $5. That's regular price.
That's fine.
Okay. The light green one, what is this? Like a, what color green is this? Like a lime green. This one's also $5, you guys. Look at that color. What is this anyway? Oh, it's an egg cooker.
Yeah, it's cooked 7 eggs.
Oh, that's cool. You want one for your birthday today? Okay, so here's the UPC. All right, so one more time, just want to make it clear that the lime green, the baby blue, and the red, those are all $5, but this green one is regular price. So these 3 are going to be the ones that you want to look out for. All right, here's another clearance item. Now, we had a video we did about maybe a week or 2 ago where we showed you these Bento lunch sets. And at the time, we only found the girl ones. We found a purple, pink, and I think it was a blue. And I wanted to find a little boy one. This one is super cute. That part says awesome. And again, this is a Bento lunch set. So the bag expands for extra snacks. And we're gonna link that video below so you guys can see the other colors that we got. But I want to show you guys that we found a blue one. Super cute. We only found one. All right, so this is the divided container. So it makes packing lunch really easy. Leak resistant lid included, and it's an all-in-one set. So again, we found the other colors, but this time we found the blue. This is what it looks like. Sounds like a dog over there. My husband's scanning the refrigerators, you guys. All right, so this is this one. That's what it looks like, and it expands, you guys. So you can clip on the backpack, or you can just hold it. And I'm gonna show you the UPC. So this is the UPC for the blue one. And can you scan this one for them? All right, we're gonna scan it, you guys. It's a great price. All right, so it's coming up only $3. And this one is the Lunch to Go Expand Bento Blue. So again, it's coming up $3. So if you guys can find any of these Bento lunch sets, so far we found the blue one. We found a couple of different designs with the pink, the purple, and also the blue. And they're all coming up only $3. Good luck with your search. All right, this is another lunchbox that we found. We haven't seen this one before, so this one's new. This is an Arctic Zone. It's the black and the gray, which are excellent colors. Built-in lunch tray, and it has a hard liner with adjustable divider. So I wanted to show you guys this one. I mean, we found a ton of lunch boxes already, but this one's really nice. It has a zipperless, what's that, code lock? What does that say?
Yeah, code lock.
Code lock, okay. I've never heard that before. All right, here's a picture of it, you guys. So again, it's a built-in lunch tray. And can you hold this for me? Yeah, just hold it right there. Okay, and if you guys lift it up, all right, you guys can see what the inside looks like. So it already has divider trays, and this one actually comes out. All right, so it comes out so you can use it with or without the tray. Look at him distracted. Look at him distracted. He taking all day putting the tray back. All right, he's working. All right, so this is what this one looks like, you guys, and it's really nice, and it closes like that. You put that like that, and you are all done. I'm going to show you the UPC.
Let me help.
Thank you, sir. All right, there's the UPC, and this is the only one that we found. So if you guys are able to find other colors, let us know. But so far, we only found this one in the gray and the black. And my husband's gonna scan it. You're not ready again? Oh, you can't find no good help, you guys.
He ain't said nothing about scanning.
Come on, we always scan it for him. All right. Wrong tag.
Yeah, you about to...
All right, you guys, let's see. This one's coming up $2.50. So again, this is the Arctic Zone black. Black and gray zipper. What does that say? Zipperless? I can't see.
Yeah, zipperless.
Oh, okay, zipperless, you guys. And again, this is what this one looks like. Here's the UPC, and good luck because they're only $2.50. Look at this, you guys. This is the Scientific Explorer Disgusting Biology. Look at how nasty this is, you guys. She's digging in her nose. Look at this. Kids will love this. My son's gonna love this. This is learn what grows on your body. And she's straight digging in her nose. That's nasty. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you the back. And this says for 8+. And here's a little description. And it says here, create your own germs. So I guess that's the germs you create. Super gross. That's what it looks like. Here's the UPC. And these went from $9.97 down to $2.50. They have several. I'm gonna get one for my son, and we're gonna leave the rest. But if you guys see these in your local Walmart, make sure you scan them because they're coming up $2.50. Good luck.
All right, so we are in our final Walmart, and they didn't have much clearance here. Everything's a little high on the stand, so we only actually found...
They actually have a lot of clearance.
But everything's regular.
But everything is super high, you guys. So out of all of this stuff, we only found this.
One thing, and this is the Play-Day Push Bubble Mower, and it has the realistic sounds.
That's cute. Oh, it has sounds.
Yeah.
Okay. And it has 4 fluid ounces of bubble solution. So it comes with this, and it is for ages 2+.
Right. At the back, pour the bubbles in the machine, cute. And you get to mow and blow bubbles.
Oh, look at him. That's nice. Look at that. Easy to fill, easy to assemble. Here's the UPC, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and scan it for you.
Alright, so the regular price on this, I forgot what I saw it at.
It's right there in the front.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So the regular price on this is $14.97.
Alright, $14.97, you guys, and we're gonna scan it so we can show you the sale price. Our clearance price.
Okay.
Alright, come on. I need you to be better prepared.
Whatever.
Alright, you guys ready? Look at that, $4, you guys. This is the Play-Day Push and Bubble Mower, and it's $4. Look at that.
So if you have young ones out there, grandkids, young kids, and they enjoy playing with bubbles, this is going to be a great item to look for. Did we show the UPC?
Yeah, we showed the UPC. I'll show it again. Just in case you guys missed it, there's the UPC. And these are only $4. Can you turn around so they can see? All right, so there's an opening right here you guys can see. And that's what it looks like. It comes with the bubble solution. It looks just like this. And this would be the perfect gift.
All right, so we're gonna take two. One of them is probably gonna be the giveaway. I'm sure you're gonna take one, and the other one's gonna be for resale. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get the deals first, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any deals before they sell out.
That's it.
I'm not gonna play this game with you. I'm not gonna play this game with you.
All right, good luck, you guys. Let us know below if you guys score these push and bubble mowers. Super cute. Again, these are only $4.